Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a video GIF with InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application in my phone, and first of all I'm going to create a new project in my InShot application. We can click on new and we're going to select a video that we want to make it as a GIF, and I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery. I'm going to add this video. Then we can click on the check mark to add this video to our InShot project, and I'm going to adjust the ratio guys. Okay, then click on the check mark and I'm going to cut the video like this, and I'm going to make it faster. So I'm going to click on the speed option and I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, then click on the check mark. And if you want to create a GIF, you have to save this video as a GIF. So we can click on the save button and click on this format and make sure that you select GIF. Okay, then we can click on save to save this video GIF. Okay, and now the GIF has been saved to my gallery and I'm going to check it. So I'm going to open my gallery, and okay, this is the GIF that I have just created with my InShot application. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a video GIF with InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.